Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I want to show you how I made these yummy cookies called snowballs. I know everyone knows them and loves them, so let's just bake. Yes, and for them I'm going to use 60 grams of sugar here, or 1/4 of a cup, half a cup of soft butter, 1 cup of flour. I have walnuts, 1.5 cups, some salt, like a pinch of salt, and some vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. Okay, walnuts here in the food processor. Let's make these fine. Still wait. Walnuts, flour, sugar, some salt. Do you see how easy it is? You cannot fail this one. You cannot fail this one. Some salt here. Okay. And let's just mix them up with our hands. So just mix all these dry ingredients. Okay, let's add some vanilla sugar here, vanilla extract. What am I talking about? And butter. And let's mix this one. The butter is not that soft, so I have to work this out a bit. It's not that soft, I have to work it out a bit to bring it all together. But walnuts have lots of oil in them, so this is a coffee spoon, but I like to use it to shape cookies like this. Yum yum. So look how nice. I don't like to throw
After
away
I shape them, as you can see, I placed them in a baking tray on baking paper. I'm going to bake them in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes.
Powdered sugar here, and I will dust the cookies in powdered sugar. And we have to let them cool down. I need these.
So after you took them out from the oven, even if the cookies seems that are not fully baked, if you see color on the bottom of them, they are baked. Take them out, toss them in powdered sugar. They will continue to cook while they are cooling down. They are delicious. Make sure to powder them with sugar even after you let them reach the room temp. So sprinkle more powdered sugar. They will look even nicer, and I'm sure family and friends will love them. You can serve them with tea or with coffee. They are delicious and easy to prepare. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to meet you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile and stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye.